Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW lineup, exploring the latest innovations, design upgrades, and performance enhancements that make these vehicles stand out. BMW has always been at the forefront of luxury and performance, and the 2025 models push the boundaries even further. Whether you're a fan of the classic 3 Series, the powerful M lineup, or the cutting-edge electric models, there's something exciting for everyone this year. Starting with design, BMW has refined its signature look while incorporating modern touches that elevate its presence on the road. The kidney grille remains a focal point, but it has been subtly reshaped for a sleeker, more aerodynamic appearance. Slimmer headlights with updated LED technology provide a sharper, more aggressive front-end design. The rear end features redesigned taillights with a more dynamic light signature, giving the car a futuristic and high-tech appeal. The use of lightweight materials, including aluminum and carbon fiber, continues to improve efficiency and handling while maintaining BMW's premium feel. Inside, BMW has taken luxury and technology to new heights. The 2025 models feature a fully digital cockpit with a curved display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The latest iDrive system, powered by BMW's advanced AI, offers improved voice recognition and a more intuitive interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates that ensure your car's software is always up to date. The interior materials have been upgraded, with sustainable options like vegan leather and recycled materials available across various models. Ambient lighting, premium sound systems, and customizable driving modes make every journey feel exclusive and tailored to your preferences. When it comes to performance, BMW continues to push the envelope. The 3 Series and 5 Series remain the benchmark for sports sedans, offering turbocharged engines with enhanced efficiency and power. The M3 and M5 take performance to another level, featuring upgraded twin-turbocharged engines that deliver exhilarating acceleration and precise handling. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and control, whether you're on a winding mountain road or navigating through city streets. BMW's engineering expertise shines through in every model, providing a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. For those looking towards the future, BMW's electric lineup is more impressive than ever. The i4 and X continue to gain popularity, offering cutting-edge electric performance with impressive range and fast charging capabilities. The new i5 and i7 expand BMW's EV portfolio, providing luxury and sustainability without compromise. With BMW's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint, these electric models incorporate sustainable manufacturing practices and innovative battery technology to deliver a cleaner, more efficient driving experience. Safety and driver assistance technology have also been upgraded for 2025. BMW's latest driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control with lane centering, improved collision avoidance technology, and enhanced parking assistance features. The new Highway Assistant allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions, making long journeys more comfortable and stress-free. With a focus on both active and passive safety, BMW ensures that you and your passengers are protected at all times. Customization options have been expanded, allowing customers to tailor their BMWs to their exact specifications. From unique paint colors and interior trims to performance upgrades and M Sport packages, there are endless possibilities to make your BMW truly yours. The BMW Individual program takes it even further, offering bespoke options for those who want a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle. Overall, the 2025 BMW lineup continues to set the standard for luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether you're looking for a thrilling driving experience, cutting-edge technology, or a sustainable mobility solution, BMW has something for you. Stay tuned to Auto Pulse for more updates, reviews, and in-depth looks at the latest automotive trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.